The skill development program of the university successfully created an employable ambience for aspiring students. It is remarkable to mention that students' success rate in the placement interviews reached the point of the pinnacle. Enhancement of professional skills undoubtedly created a productive employment avenue for the learners. The university is persistently imparting skill enhancement training to the Army personnel on 3 different courses, namely Postgraduate Diploma in Modern Office Administration, Diploma in Modern Office Management, and Diploma in Inventory and Stores Management. The main objective of this program is to help them excel in their professional career advancement and to create an opportune, employable avenues in their post-retirement career. The development of persuasive communication skills helps in grooming students' personalities. The students are sensitized about social problems affecting Indian society. The students are sensitized about gender equality. Activities such as fish craft exhibition cum sale gives youth a confidence in their artisan skill and encouragement that they can earn in profitable manner with little time, labor and money investment through fish craft preparation. The students are imparted with the modern trades and orientation skills for producing quality silk from cocoon. The skills related with vermicomposting techniques are being impregnated into the students' mind for modern means of agricultural farming. The students are embedded with sophisticated trades through professional skill enrichment training program for producing quality bakery products. The entrepreneurship workshop based on apiculture techniques for unemployed youths, farmers as well as the university students sensitize and motivates them for developing skills in these techniques and for self-sustenance. The training and orientation under the skill enrichment program for farmers are proven to be effective for developing their farming skills and enhancing their livelihood. As a part of community development under the skill enrichment program, the livelihood in the adopted villages by the university is gradually gaining momentum due to the efficient and productive participation of university faculty members and students. Skill enrichment courses remarkably help students in getting connected with society and give a sense of belongingness for society.